Welcome to Video Wednesday. Create a video about it. I'm talking about the 10 digital tools I use this month. Here we go, good people. Enjoy. Hello, this is Mr. James. This is another digital kit we're talking about today. It's called A Beginner's Guide to Visualization, okay? It's time that you talk about to visualize what you want in your life. Very powerful kit, okay? Comes with videos, comes with workbook, comes with checklists, and the site that you see right now. Amazing. And I haven't, well, a little bit. I've used ChatGPT to help me out with some of this, but it's very powerful, people. So I'm gonna get these set out and get them uploaded to the online sites and learn to apply and offer these tools. But more than enough information for everyone to get busy with this internet. So you can pause the video and watch the site. Click one of the links that's on this page. Have a great Pennsylvania, people. Stay busy, stay focused.